Okay, Sounds of Decay 2 is Oranssi Pazuzu's new album, Moon Tao Tuja. Yes, I know we're butchering this, which translates to a transformative.
Formed back in 2007, the five-piece known as Oranssi Pazuzu, named for the Babylonian demon in the Exorcist movie, have built quite a rabid following, considering they seem to specialize in 7+ minute avant black metal epics, and all the lyrics are sung in Finnish.
Yep.
Muuntal Chuja is the band's sixth full-length album, and their combination of layered sonic filth and terrifying psychedelic jams has never sounded better. They've added an air of creepiness to the proceedings this time, a spooky synth accompaniment, cold spot, reverbed beats, morbid piano intros, and some glitchy blips are just a few tricks in the band's tool belt this time. Plus, they've added some trip-hop elements, and the heavier segments have a glorious layer of scuzz folded into the mix.
Things kick off in the grooviest of ways with opener Bioalchemisti, a chunky mid-pace built on the warm burblings of bassist Anto. The track charges along for close to 9 minutes, the harsh guitar jumping in and out of the mix at random intervals, while vocalist Evil whispers his delightful witch speak into our ear, and eerie moans float around the arrangement like specters. Viotelu sounds like Health decided to record a black metal song. The pounding of drummer Korjak adorned with stabbing industrial found sounds, terrible wails, and an icy piano melody that is truly goosebump-inducing.
One other track worthy of mentioning is Val Tuas, a track that slowly fades in a lickety-split drum pattern and a wall of tar tremolo guitar riffing. The performance of guitarist Icon coming through choppy and atonal under the aforementioned layer of scuzz. Expect the unexpected, because in about 4 minutes in, sprightly piano flourishes to enter the mix and move to the forefront as drum and guitar suddenly cease. Evil rants and raves. Eventually, everything comes in at once in a train wreck of distortion. Synth stabs and general noise bring the track to a grinding halt. This is not your father's black metal or your uncle's. It's not even your half-cousin that comes to visit every April's black metal, come to think of it. It should be an intriguing listen for fans of anything from Spectre to Mick Gordon and everything in between.
By Catafalque, yeah. Okay, this song is called Bioalchemisti.
This is the Snaggletooth Extreme Metal Podcast.